Hello, I am Dr. Darnita L. Payton, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. Today we are continuing our series on easy and quick decluttering, 5 things in 5 minutes for 5 days. I hope that you have been having a great time decluttering easily and quickly while viewing the last 3 videos. We've covered paper and electronics, we've covered miscellaneous items, household items, and today we're going to continue along that road. Today we're going to focus on notepads and doohickeys and such and scraps of paper. So I know, again, remember I said I've seen you all at the conferences where, you know, they give you a notepad or a notebook like this, or they give you a pad like this and you get really excited and ravenous look in your eyes. And this is a favorite of mine, I have to admit. I do still like to use paper to keep notes, but you know, how many do you need and how many can you write on? And this one is just cute. And it says, just a girl boss building her empire. So if you go around your office or your bedroom and see where you have these collected, and once you've used them, just discard them or shred them, especially if you put personal information on them. A couple is fine. More than 3 is probably too many, but you'll know when you have too many because you can't see your desk. So go through today and look at your your notepads and your notebooks and things like that. So you remember in the previous videos I said that we would take one item or a couple of items out of the category of clothes so that you don't become overwhelmed and want to give up. So today we're going to focus on socks and intimates. So ladies, that may be your camisoles, or it may be your bras and your underwear. Men, it would be your underwear and your t-shirts. And what you're looking for is just to make sure that your socks are in good condition. You don't have any holes or stains, or because you can use them to make sock puppets if you do. Just kidding. No, you want to let those go. You want to discard those. Or, I always talk about you can use some of these things as cleaning rags, and that's true, but I don't want you to keep everything as a cleaning towel or a cleaning rag, because then that just defeats the purpose. So use some wisdom on that. And if your t-shirt has more than 4 holes in it, 1 for your neck, 2 for your arms, and 1 for your body, it's probably time to say goodbye. Same thing with your socks. Just go through and inspect them, and unless you're into darning socks and they have a hole in the toe, you can probably let those go. So we're talking about towels and your washcloths and things, and this is one, again, I tell you all that I use these things in presentations. That's why I have them, because otherwise I would have thrown this away. Can you see that? You probably can see me through this. It's so thin and so worn. Can you see? Yeah, this would be a good example of what you want to just say bye-bye to. Now for the towels, now obviously these are new towels, but what you're looking for is to see if they have any stains on them, if they are torn or ripped, and if they are, then of course you would need to replace those, but you would discard the ones that are in that condition. Again, let's say no to this, and we'd say yes to these. Many of us are guilty of this. We get a new computer, we get an upgrade, hallelujah, and we keep the old one. Now I am not telling you that if your computer still functions and it works properly for you to discard it. But what I'm saying is, this is an older computer. It still works. I am about to start using a MacBook as well, so I won't discard this one. But if this one wasn't working or it wasn't updated, this is an updated computer, then you could donate that. But what I found is a lot of us, because we hold on to them and we say, well, our pictures are on there, or our personal information is on there, and all of that is true. So you want to make sure that you're downloading and backing up your information regularly. And before you donate your old computers, that you want to make sure that you've gotten your personal information off. And again, just like all the electronics that we've talked about, make sure that you recycle or discard responsibly. Check with your municipality to see how they encourage you to do that. But again, if you have a computer that just is not working, you can check around and see if there's an organization that could use that, because I know there are organizations that will take old computers and refurbish them and give them, to people in need. So that is something that you could do with your old computer. Miscellaneous cleaning products. We all have them. We all need to use them. Now, I don't have a lot of cleaning products because I like to make my own. I try and use as many natural products as possible, but go through your cupboards and under your sinks and see what you have. You can, and if they're toxic, please don't do this. This is a natural product, so I can smell it. If it's a toxic product, please do not go and say, Dr. Payton told me to sniff it. No, she did not. Again, this is a environmentally friendly. It's not harmful to do what I just did. So don't do that if your products are not safe for that. Again, this is natural and it's not harmful to humans or pets. But so you want to go through and see if, do you still use them? Do you still like the scent? Do they still serve the purpose? Are you, again, even using them? So go through and clear out all of your cleaning products, or the ones that you aren't using. And cleaning products too expire, so you may want to check on that to make sure that they haven't. So there you have it. 5 things to declutter in 5 minutes for 5 days. I am hoping that these videos are being helpful to you and that you are seeing some success. Today we covered in the paper category, we talked about getting rid of notepads and notebooks that you no longer use, socks and intimates. Again, if it has more than 4 holes in it, it's probably time for it to go bye-bye. We also talked about towels and sheets. If they are stained or threadbare, or you just have too many, that you would go through and declutter those. And then we talked about old computers that you aren't using or that are obsolete because they're not updated and can't be updated. And finally, we talked about your cleaning products. So those are your 5 things to declutter today. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you did. Before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and do me one favor. Tell at least 5 people you know about my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you would like to have more information or a free consultation, please feel free to visit me at drdeclutter.com. That's doctor, the letter D, the word clutter.com. It'll be in the description box. And if no one has told you today how awesome you are, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. And you're getting rid of a lot of stuff too. Take care. God bless. Bye.